Alijan Muratov versus Vitaly Laletin, the biggest left arm match ever. It was a completely one-sided 4-0 dominant victory. You guess from who? Obviously from the Russian Vitaly Laletin. Before the match, Vitaly said that a good top roller cannot be hooked. He refused to believe that there is any chance that Alijan can hook him. And he even said that even in some hypothetical situation where Alijan hooks him, he would simply roll out of that hook by busting Alijan's wrist back. He didn't need to do that because off the go in the strap, his top roll was so strong that Alijan's wrist was immediately flopped. This is not only the first match that Alijan has lost at East vs West, it was the first round that he lost in round 1. He was unbeaten until now, even in a single round. Even Vitaly had lost a couple of rounds against Morozov. Vitaly proved why he's too big, too strong, too fast for Alijan. He was bigger than him, he was stronger than him, he was faster than him. And all of the rounds were pretty much the same. Vitaly had too much pronation going on, he had too much speed going on. Alijan simply cannot even think about trying anything different than hoping to set a hook. But as soon as the referee said go, his arm went sideways, his wrist got flopped. He had absolutely nothing going on. And while commentating this match, Devon must be enjoying seeing this sight, because after watching this match, I think Devon cracks Alijan's wrist too. He's also in the match for the 115 kg left arm world title. I think he has a genuine shot against Alijan. And Vitaly is pretty much unbeatable. Obviously, he's unhookable. But the Morozov that did something against him, do we really want to see the Dadikyan versus Vitaly match on the left arm? Can Dadikyan set the hook? He also doesn't have any flop press or any top roll like Alijan. So he's also going to be helpless as soon as Vitaly cracks his wrist back even once on the left arm. I think we're genuinely seeing the strongest left arm wrestler to ever exist. Don't comment in the comment section that Dennis is that guy or Levan is that guy. Levan has never seen the level on the left arm which Vitaly has attained, and Dennis was also not as strong because Vitaly is literally unbeatable unless proven otherwise. That's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel. Please purchase the pay-per-view from the link in the description. Vitaly Laletin is the man.